In the darkness of sin, I was lost and alone. No hope inside, my heart turned stone. Every road I walked was heavy with pain. But you, my God, never let me go. You saw me fall when I was astray, and showed me love beyond what I can say. God loved me while I was still in sin. He pulled me out and made me whole again. His grace has washed and set me free. Now I am His for eternity. You bore my wounds and shed your blood. On the cross, you paid it all in love. I was bound by shame and broken chains, but you gave me life and took my pain. I had nothing I could give to you. Still you love me just as I am. God loved me while I was still in sin. He pulled me out and made me whole again. His grace has washed and set me free. Now I am His for eternity. No other love can stand so strong. It never fails, it carries on. You forgave me and made me new. Forever, Lord, I'll follow you. My God, I thank you from my soul. Your love has made this broken whole. I once was lost, but now I see. It's all because you rescued me. In the silence of the night, I was broken and alone, carrying the weight of sins I couldn't atone. Tears falling down like a river in my soul. But in the dark, Lord, you whispered, I'm in control. I was lost in the storm, no shelter from the rain. Every step I took was filled with hurt and pain, but your love found me right where I fell. You pulled me out from the shadows of hell. You never let me go, even when I ran away. Your mercy held me close every night and day. Through the fire and the rain, you stayed the same. Oh Lord, I'll forever praise your holy name. Now I stand renewed with a song deep in my heart. You healed my wounds, gave me a brand new start. Your grace surrounds me like a melody so sweet. Every step I take now, Lord, is at your feet. You never let me go, even when I ran away. Your mercy held me close every night and day. Through the fire and the rain, you stay the same. Oh Lord, I'll forever praise your holy name. When I was weak, you were strong. When I was lost, you led me on. Your love keeps calling my name. Forever, forever, I'll never be the same. You never let me go. You lifted up my soul. You turned my broken life and made me whole. Through every trial, I will proclaim Jesus, Jesus. I'll praise your